Alright, first thing, just put the onions. Ooh, that fell for me. Okay. Just put the onion first. And just wait for the onion to cook for a bit. I'm just going to add the chili in there because when I blend it, it's quite strong smell. So I'm just going to leave that in here. Okay, I'm just going to leave this for it to turn brown. When it's turned brown, I'm going to be removing the 3 chilies and the half onion and blend them together. Okay, and as the onions are cooking, so I'm just going to take these bits out and blend them. Okay, hold on, try and do this with one hand. Cooking it all out, so now I'm going to add the half onion in here. Okay, so all of it is in here. It's the chili and the onion, so I'm just now going to blend that and add it to the cooking onions. Look at, I'm getting all just finished blending the onion and the chili, so I'm going to add the ginger, both of them with it, and then we're going to blend it again. You can see it's all, if you don't have, you know, those sort of chili, you just blend your onions and your garlic together, that it will be fine. And what is next is I'm going to add the all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to add my curry sauce, well, it's curry powder. Okay, what will be next for now would be my 2 Maggi cubes, and I'm using a whole of tomatoes puree, a whole one. As you can see, I've squeezed that whole thing out into that to make it a little bit easier for me. Okay, now adding the Maggi cube. Sorry, my voice. And then I will be adding the tomato puree. Okay, I'm just going to leave this for it to cook for a bit. Okay, I've just left it to cook for a bit, so I'm now going to add my tomatoes. I know with knowing all this, I haven't put any salt, but I'm waiting until it's all done before adding any salt, so I'll know the amount of salt that I do need. And you can add your salt anytime you want, but you add it to the taste that you like. Okay, I'm just going to leave this to cook for a bit. Okay, it's been cooking for a while, so I'm now going to be adding the frozen veggie and the red and green chili. gonna leave that and get the corned beef ready to put that in. Okay, it's cooked for just a little bit, so I'm just now going to be adding the corned beef into the stew. Try and put them on line so they don't get. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it to cook for a bit before I can stir it. But if I stir it, I have got to be really careful so they don't break all into little pieces. Okay. Okay, I'm now going to be adding the salt and the cabbage. I've cut the cabbage quite large because the kids likes it a bit chunky, so it's not small. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm now just going to leave it to cook for a bit. Okay, I'm just mixing the eggs and my little one is being a bit cheeky. Okay, just done now, so it's, as you can see, it's cooking but not all the way. I've put it to very low heat, so it's still not done yet. Just wait for a bit more. Okay, I'm just going to check it and see, and I can see that it's all done. Right, that is all done. The eggs didn't break, they're still in there as like chunks, and so the cabbage, everything is in perfect. So I'm just going to now put it on a plate to serve it to those naughty kids.